Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your specialty insurance with Berkley step by step clearly. To upgrade your specialty insurance with Berkley, begin by visiting the Berkley Insurance website. Locate the specialty insurance section on the home page. Read through the coverage options available to understand what suits your needs. Gather all necessary documentation related to your current insurance policy. Make a list of any changes you want to make to your coverage. Contact Berkley's customer service team via phone or email. Discuss your current policy and desired upgrades with a representative. Ask for any additional information or clarification regarding available options. Once you receive the updated policy details, compare them to your current coverage. Evaluate the costs associated with the upgrades you are considering. Make notes on any questions or concerns about the new terms and conditions. If everything meets your satisfaction, proceed to request the upgrade formally. Fill out any required forms provided by Berkley for the policy upgrade. Submit your completed forms along with any required documentation. Confirm the processing time for your upgrade request with your representative. Once your upgrade is processed, review the updated policy carefully. Ensure all your questions have been answered before finalizing your decision. Keep a copy of the new policy for your records. Stay in touch with Berkley for any future inquiries or adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.